Hey guys, Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and let's be real, your hair deserves some love too. Forget the basic ponytail. We are going full heart mood this year. Check this out. We have got 50 super cute hat braids ideas that are actually fire. We are talking small hidden hats for a low-key look and big bold shapes that will have everyone asking, wait, how did you do that? Don't worry if you aren't a pro yet. Some of these braids are just simple loops and hair ties. But if you have got the skills, these crisp parts and layered braids are next level. Do well to accessorize this hairstyle by adding some red thread or glitter to really make the style pop. Whether you are out with your besties or on a cute date, these heart-shaped braids are 10 out of 10. They are fun, they are fresh, and they look good on literally everyone. So which one of these heart-shaped braids are you rocking? Pick your favorites and screenshot them so you can show your hairstylist in your next salon appointment. And if you found this video helpful, please do well to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more hairstyle, inspirations, and ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. video helpful, please do well to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more hairstyle, inspirations, and ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy Valentine!